This is the crucial first step that sets the tone for all your future decisions. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing exactly what you're aiming for. Perhaps you're seeking long-term growth, aiming to build substantial wealth over time to secure your retirement or fund future endeavors like your children's education. For example, you might invest in a diversified portfolio of growth stocks, such as companies in the technology or healthcare sectors. They are innovating and expanding rapidly. This strategy is about future pacing, where you visualize the benefits you'll enjoy down the line. Imagine retiring earlier than planned or affording that dream vacation home because of the smart stock investments you make today. Maybe you're after immediate income to enhance your financial freedom right now. For instance, investing in dividend-paying stocks can create a steady revenue stream. Consider allocating funds to well-established companies that have a history of paying consistent dividends, such as those in the utilities or consumer staples sectors. By selecting stocks that provide regular dividend payments, you can supplement your income without selling your shares. This satisfies the need of instant gratification, providing tangible benefits in the short term. Picture receiving quarterly dividend checks that you can use to supplement your income, fund a hobby, or reinvest for even greater returns. Perhaps capital preservation is your top priority. You want to safeguard your hard-earned money against market volatility while still participating in the stock market. In this case, you might focus on investing in blue-chip stocks, large, well-established companies with a solid track record of stability and resilience during economic downturns. For example, investing in companies that are leaders in their industries with strong balance sheets and consistent earnings can help protect your capital. This strategy is about security, appealing to your desire for stability and peace of mind. Imagine sleeping soundly at night knowing your stock investments are in robust companies that can weather market storms. Alternatively, you might seek a balanced approach, combining elements of growth, income, and preservation within your stock investments. For example, allocate 50% of your portfolio to growth stocks for long-term appreciation. Dedicate 30% to dividend-paying stocks for immediate income. Reserve 20% for stable blue-chip stocks to preserve capital. This diversified stock strategy allows you to benefit from multiple investment objectives simultaneously, reducing risk while maximizing potential returns. Visualize building a robust stock portfolio that grows over time, provides regular income, and protects your principal, all working together to achieve your financial aspirations. Having clear goals helps narrow your focus, eliminating distractions and unnecessary options. Once you've committed to specific objectives, you're more likely to make decisions that align with them. Staying consistent in your strategy. Financial authorities and successful investors emphasize goal setting because it provides direction and purpose, making your investment decisions more straightforward and effective.